so far we've gotten a title for our creative procedure. We've written a goal, which was a question and the tricky part that can make the goal hard to achieve. And then, Tuesday, Miss Smith showed you how to write your funny list of materials that you are going to need for your procedure. So today we're going to move into steps. So let's take a look. So here is the goal that we have written with the question and the tricky part. And then here is our list of materials with the dot points and the brackets with a bit of humour in it. Now we're going to start writing our steps. So I've got my heading there, my subheading, and then my number 1 dot point. Firstly, you need to bake your biscuits. Dragons only eat them freshly baked. Number 2, on a new line. Remember, each step has its own line, starts on a brand new line. Then you collect, actually I think I can use some better transitional language here to start this next step. Remember the transitional words that Miss Smith talked about last week? I think I'm going to start this like this. While the biscuits are cooling, you can collect your beehive. Full stop. And I'm going to add a bit of humour again at the end of that in a new sentence. Wear gloves to avoid those nasty stings. And full stop, or exclamation mark actually, at the end of that sentence. And then number 3, on a new line. I'm going to stop here so you don't have to watch me write the whole thing. Alright, here they are. I'm going to keep reading from step 3. After that, you really should put on your fireproof suit. Step 4. Then it's time to get your biscuits on the fork. Make sure you stretch your arm out as far as you can. Step 5. Following that, kick the beehive towards your dragon like a football. Step 6. Finally, it's time to carefully back out of the cave. If your dragon is still hungry, you may become a snack. Okay, so just to refresh, I've got a subheading, steps, and then I've numbered my steps and written them in order of how you would do them, and they all start on a new line. You can see my numbers are all on the edge of the page there, starting on their own line. Then I've also used some really good transitional language here. Firstly, while, after that, then, following that, and finally. Now it's your turn. So have a good think about the steps that you need to follow to finish your procedure, and follow all the instructions that I've told you. Number your steps, use good transitional language, and start each step on a new line. Have fun and be super creative. I'm loving reading what you've made so far, so I can't wait to see your steps as well.